What if I told you these cookies don't have any flour and are actually healthy for you? No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps. These protein peanut butter cookies are incredibly easy to make and are perfect as a quick snack or a healthy dessert option. Here's how to make them. Start with a bowl to mix all of your ingredients in. I already have a 1/4 cup of peanut butter in my mixing bowl. Crack open and add 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 tablespoons of honey. You can use a different sweetener like maple syrup if you prefer. 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of protein powder. I'm using a vanilla whey here. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally a pinch of salt. Stir all of the ingredients together until everything is mixed. Preheat your air fryer on 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. After it's done preheating, add a sheet of parchment paper and give it a light spray of oil. The parchment paper will ensure none of the liquid falls through. Use a spoon or a cookie scoop to scoop about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of your mixture. Be sure to leave enough space in between for your cookies. I was able to make 6 cookies, so I had to cook these in 2 batches. Use the bottom of your spoon to flatten the cookies a bit. Bake your cookies on 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. After they're done baking, let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes in the air fryer basket so they can firm up a bit. Once they've cooled, remove them from the basket and finish using up the remaining amount of your mixture for your cookies. Then you're set to serve your protein peanut butter cookies. If you want to make even more cookies, you can double the amount of ingredients in the recipe. On the other hand, if you only want just a few cookies, you can divide the ingredients in this recipe by 2. These cookies are best enjoyed fresh, but they'll last up to a week in the refrigerator. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.